There's one dog signal most people completely misunderstand: lip licking when there's no food around. Many think it means hunger, but it often signals stress or discomfort. Dogs lick their lips when they feel nervous, unsure, or overwhelmed. You might notice it during loud noises, hugs, vet visits, or tense situations. It's a calming signal, your dog's way of saying, "I'm uncomfortable." Understanding this small sign can prevent bigger behavior problems and help you build trust. For more simple dog behavior tips, don't forget to subscribe for more videos.